Good morning. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers, December 9th, 8 o'clock in the morning. Let's take a look at the market for the next 3 to 5 minutes where I'm going to give you targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation. First thing I want to note is the mortgage applications were released this morning. We had a bounce of about 1.2%. Wait, 9 o'clock, we got wholesale trade, oil inventories at 9:30, and the 10-year note at, it looks like 12 o'clock. So as we come in here tonight, we look like we were consolidating overnight from the open. Looks like around the 63.50 area. Moved up into our zone here at 68.75. Overnight traders took this trade as we broke through support, a major support area here and this major zone. Popped down through this zone, and now we double kind of a double tweezer bottom here at the bottom here at 52, which was our overnight low. Kind of made our way back up to 24-hour VWAP, which it failed. We came back down, retested this zone as well, and we're back down nearing the morning lows, or overnight lows, I should say. So for taking a look today, we've got to watch this real close for a possible bounce off this low, possibly move into this zone at 50 for a little bit of retracements, and then on down to the next targets will be at the 2047, 2045 area, then down to 41, 40. There's no real news today except worries about the typical oil and some of the uh, earnings results from Costco and Lululemon are showing some more weakness for the consumer, so just be aware of this. As you can see, we're starting to move down to these overnight lows right now. So, but if we should get a bounce at this zone or this zone here at the 26 level, we're going to look for possible tracements all the way up to this VWAP. Look for a failure to retrace back down into this 52 zone. We're going to need some really good news from wholesale or something this morning to take this trade on up. As you can see, as we're talking, we're already breaking this zone. So we just keep an eye on this trade. If we can break and close above this 24-hour VWAP, the white line, and this zone at 59.75 or 57.50, going to look to move up to the next zone where we're going to have to retest this resistance at 62.75. Probably another pullback, just a minor one, and then on up into this pivot support area or resistance area, 65.50. Then look for targets at the 69 level overnight high. After that, we want to take a look at go moving up into support resistance again. Has some major resistance at 21, or excuse me, 2071, 75, 72 area. Real strong resistance. We're going to keep a real eye. We can get some consolidation in this area if we can get it and bounce between these two zones. If we can break these zones, possible moves up to the 2080 area plus today. Keep an eye on it, and everyone have a good day. Contact me at frank@tradestocktors.com if you've got any questions.